Hi dear students, welcome back. It's time to read out aloud. Read alouds. A hen lays eggs. A hen lays eggs. The men are near the den. The men are near the den. M-E-N men, D-E-N den. Read the given words and circle them in the given paragraph. Okay, again we have the same exercise which we have done previously. हमें क्या करना है, हमें जो यहाँ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं उनको पैराग्राफ में सर्कल करना है. D-E-N den, P-E-T pet, H-E-N hen, R-E-D red, L-E-D led. Ben has a pet hen. B-E-N Ben has a pet, P-E-T pet, H-E-N hen. The hen is red. H-E-N hen, R-E-D red. Ben fed the red hen. F-E-D fed, R-E-D red, H-E-N hen. Ben led the hen. L-E-D led, H-E-N hen. In the D-E-N den. So we have done this interesting exercise. See you next time.